I want to know if you're transporting kids that are possibly COVID positive to this area, and the answer was yes. Now we know.
53 immigrants test positive for the coronavirus at the holding facility in Midland.
ABC Big 2's Rob Took joins us live from outside the facility. And Rob, those teens are now being isolated.
Katie and Carson, those details were just released to Midland Mayor Patrick Payton. And the big question is right now whether the city and the county will have to get involved if the COVID-19 situation here gets any worse.
We don't know why they're separated from their parents. We don't know if they're being trafficked. We don't know what's going on. We don't know if they're being connected to cartels. We don't know anything.
But in a Facebook Live update Wednesday night, Midland Mayor Patrick Payton does know 485 boys between the ages of 15 and 17 are currently at the holding facility. 53 are COVID-19 positive. Mayor Payton says those boys are now isolated, and there are 112 staff working at the facility. Payton says the COVID-19 positive children will not be released to sponsors until they are done quarantining. Meantime, crews are busy putting up a security fence. The fence will be blacked out, which means you won't be able to see in. Several dozen boys were seen playing soccer today, maybe the first time they've openly been outside. Most wore masks. Teddy Seals lives just down the road from the facility.
This is a neighborhood, and this is just not the place for what appears to be a little prison.
Seals is a former minister. He too wonders about the migrants and if the coronavirus is contained inside.
I'm worried about those children in there. How are they being treated? No one knows. No one knows but the federal government. And they've proven themselves to be just sneaky people.
And while the facility now sits on federal land for now, there is concern over just how much of Midland's resources will be needed. Mayor Payton says one teen already required medical attention from Midland Medical. The hospital put out this statement today. We are not currently involved in the direct medical care of the mentioned migrants. If they get transported to Midland Memorial Hospital, we will be ready to provide the medical care they need. And Midland Mayor Patrick Payton says that he was told that right now there aren't any plans to bring more children to this facility here in Midland. Live in Midland, Rob Took, ABC Big 2 News.
All right, still a lot of mixed reactions there, Rob. Thank you. Read more about the facility housing these teens right now on the Your Basin app.